Hey everyone, welcome to the Gourmet Code. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make a bowl of warm, creamy tomato soup, especially on a cold day. And the good news is, it's really easy to make. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 chopped onion. 2 minced cloves garlic. 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes. 2 cups chicken or vegetable broth. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 1/2 cup heavy cream. Salt and pepper to taste. Heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, until it begins to soften. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute. Add the can of crushed tomatoes to the pot, along with the chicken or vegetable broth, sugar, and dried basil. Stir to combine. Bring the soup to a simmer and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, until the flavors have melded together and the soup has thickened slightly. Add the heavy cream to the pot and stir to combine. Let the soup cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, until it has thickened to your liking. If you prefer a smooth soup, use an immersion blender to blend the soup until it's completely smooth. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste, and serve it hot with a sprinkle of fresh basil or a drizzle of olive oil. And that's it, a delicious, creamy tomato soup that's perfect for a chilly day. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.